Did you know that LinkedIn has a dating app? Well, not exactly a Tinder, but close. Last time I showed you how to make a one-to-one connection with the LinkedIn app, a bit like exchanging electronic business cards. Now I'm going to show you how to make a many-to-many connection, a bit like throwing a handful of business cards across a room, only not that random. It takes a bit of organising actually. At the recent IOD breakfast meeting I attended, our very efficient chairman stood up and announced a LinkedIn networking session. This is how it works. First, open your LinkedIn app. Go to Network, select Find Nearby. The app starts looking for other LinkedIn app users in the vicinity. When they go to the same page on their devices, this will happen. If they're not already a connection, you can invite them. If they are already a connection, as I am with Olwyn, you can message them. It's a great tool for linking up with other people in a crowded room. You don't have to connect if you don't want to, of course. You might even find people who didn't know were attending the event. Ooh, he looks interesting. Are you supposed to swipe left or right on Tinder?